Sometimes a thought about sending money pops up in the middle of your day, maybe when a family member messages you or a bill needs sharing, and in that moment your phone becomes the bridge between intention and action, which is where the Taptap Send app starts to fit in because it focuses on international money transfers in a way that feels simple while still being fast. And as you move through it, the steps connect smoothly so you're not left guessing what comes next. The app is built around the idea that sending money abroad shouldn't feel complicated, and that idea links directly to how the interface is designed, because when you open it, you usually see clear options for recipients, countries, and amounts, and those pieces flow together, so one choice leads naturally into the next. Instead of long forms and confusing menus, the process feels guided, and that guidance bridges convenience with confidence, especially for people who send money regularly. Exchange rates, transfer methods, and delivery estimates are often shown before you confirm, and that transparency connects your decision with awareness, so you know what to expect. Another part people appreciate is the focus on speed and cost, because many transfers aim to be low fee or fee-free depending on the corridor, and that connects savings with practicality for frequent users. Promotions or referral bonuses sometimes appear, and those offers blend into the experience without forcing you to search for them. The support section is also there if something feels unclear, and having help available connects trust with usability, which matters when money is involved. Of course, availability, limits, and delivery times can vary by country, and those factors depend on local banking systems. But the app usually explains these details before you send, which keeps surprises minimal. Over time, using it can become a small routine, like topping up a phone or paying a bill, because your recipients and past transfers are saved, and that history connects past actions with future convenience. Then you might open it just to check a rate, and that turns into completing a transfer, and then into planning the next one. And somewhere between the quick taps and the confirmation screen, you realize how much simpler it feels than traditional methods, and the thought just drifts toward the next time you might need it. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.